What's up everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to install Android head unit on my Honda Civic. This is the head unit I bought from the eBay. Let's see what's inside and I will put the link in the description below. So this is what it came inside the box with the all wiring harness and the head unit. And all the wiring harness connects directly to the stock wiring harness, plug and play. So let's see how it connects, and I will also show you which tools required to install this. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel so you can get update on new videos. So first we have to remove this panel, and to remove this we need this panel removing tool. If you don't have this tool, you can use flathead screwdriver, but make sure you use the piece of cloth so you don't damage the panel. So let's start. So put this tool in this line inside and just try to pop up the clip, and then just pull this out and do exactly same on the other side. Once this removed, you have to remove this climate control panel. To remove this climate control panel, just put your fingers behind and pull outside. Once it's out, you can pull from here. It's removed. And remove cables from the behind. Now you need Phillips screwdriver to remove these two screws, one over here and one on the other side. So remove these two screws. Also there is a one cable connector underneath. You have to remove that cable. And once it's done, put your finger behind and pop the head unit out. It will come straight out. And disconnect all the cables from the back. Take the new Android head unit and plug all the cable which match with the stock harness. So as you can see, I have already installed my GPS antenna through the inside, and it's in the corner over there. So I'm just going to plug it in. And also I have put the mic through the inside. So I'm just going to plug it in. It just goes underneath and comes over here. So this is the mic. And it also comes with the two extra USB cable, which is I'm running to the glove box. We are not using this two screw in this head unit, so just put it back on the place so you don't lose it. And plug your AC control unit back. So now, before we put everything back, We want to make sure everything is working perfectly. So just turn on your car and check everything is working. So this is the Android head unit. It's like your Android phone. You can install any app you want. There is a Play Store, Google Maps. You can use the offline maps also. So from the Play Store you can install new apps also. For that you can connect the Wi-Fi to run the Play Store and other apps. Radio is working perfectly, so that's good. So now it looks like everything is working perfectly. So now we can secure all the panel back. So let's turn off the car and put all the panel back. There is one more thing we have to do is for radio. We have to bypass the radio antenna module so it can work properly. I have already done that, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So to bypass the radio antenna module, you have to open this panel. So follow the steps I'm going to do and you can bypass the module. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share this video.